What if money could work more like the internet? That is one of the best ways to start understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike normal digital money in a banking app, Bitcoin is not run by one bank, one company, or one country. It runs on a decentralized network. That means thousands of computers around the world help maintain it together. No single person can just wake up and decide to change the rules for everyone, and that is a huge part of why Bitcoin matters. Before Bitcoin, digital money always depended on a central authority. A bank had to approve it, a payment company had to process it, a government had to issue it. Bitcoin introduced a different idea. What if money could move directly between people, online, without needing a central middleman every time? That is what made Bitcoin revolutionary. It was introduced in 2009 after the global financial crisis, at a time when trust in the traditional financial system was deeply shaken. Its design was built around a few big ideas: limited supply, transparency, security, and decentralization. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. That fixed supply is a major reason why many people compare Bitcoin to digital gold. But Bitcoin is not just about price, it is also about control. With Bitcoin, the real question is not only what is it worth, it is also who controls the money. And Bitcoin's answer is no single institution should control all of it. Of course, Bitcoin is not simple at first. There are wallets, private keys, transactions, fees, and many things to learn, but the core idea is actually very understandable. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. It is native to the internet. It can be sent globally. It is scarce by design, and it gives people a way to hold value outside the traditional system. So if you are new to Bitcoin, do not worry about understanding everything at once. Just remember this: Bitcoin is digital money without a central owner. And that idea alone changed the world.